Traders, good morning. Let's talk about the markets today. Today is Thursday, February 7th, and how we're going to approach trading the DAX especially. So let's just take a step back and look at the bigger picture here before diving into the specifics. The global markets have been kind of mixed, yeah. We had some bullish momentum in the US indices overnight, but I wouldn't say without some caution. Big tech earnings weren't exactly stellar, and there's still that undercurrent of uncertainty regarding the trade and the macroeconomic policies. But hey, the DAX, it's been showing some resilience. And what does this mean for us intraday traders? And if we go to the technicals first and to the 15-minute chart here, we're seeing some interesting action with the stochastic oscillators here. The slow stochastics with the 66 period setting has been hovering in the overbought section. So basically we have had a strong run-up yesterday and over the night still, now that the Asia is open. So basically we had a momentum that is still favoring buyers, but here where it gets a little spicy, the fast stochastic, our 20 period, is showing some fluctuation, dipping lower where the slow remains high. So you can see the difference here. And this is what we call a rubber band effect. And this is when the stochastics stretches away from the slow only to snap back in a favorable conditions. And this often signals us powerful move if they do realign. Yeah, that's the key, how we combine this with something like ADX, and you can find the ADX indicator in the indicators tab, ADX. And if it is above 27, we're in the trending market. So in this case, we don't want to fight the momentum. Instead, we would be looking for pullbacks and would be more in the mean reversion territory if the ADX is weaker. But if it is 27, we'll be looking for these to realign again. Yeah, right, those shorter stochastic swings while keeping an eye on the broader hourly. Look, it's right here. And then the sentiment. Traders seem to be shaking off some of the broader worries and focusing on earnings and growth potential this end of the week. And this could mean some upside if buyers stay in control, but keep an eye on the support and resistance levels where we're now on the upper third of it. If the momentum fades, we could really see that the profits are being taken here, and the stocks or the indices could plummet. So that's where we stand today. Stay sharp, manage your risks, and as always, trade with what you see, not what you feel. And let's get to it.